Welcome back to Motor Pulse, and today we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the decade, the 2026 BMW M5. This new generation represents a massive shift for BMW's M division, and the result is a sedan that blends electrified power, muscular design, and signature M performance attitude in a way we've never seen before. So let's break down everything that makes the 2026 M5 one of the most talked about machines of the year. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 BMW M5 brings a fresh but aggressive personality to the executive performance segment. From the very first glance, the car stands out with its wider stance, sculpted body, and sharper lines that immediately signal capability. BMW has given the M5 a more squared-off front end with strong character lines that run from the hood into the grille. The kidney grills are more proportionate than some recent BMW designs, offering a cleaner performance look with a deep, gloss black finish. The air intakes beneath are large and functional, feeding cool air to the hybrid powertrain and performance braking system. The laser-sharp LED headlights sit slightly recessed, giving the car a predatory, ready-to-launch expression. Moving along the side profile, the M5 maintains its classic long hood and short deck proportions, but with bolder muscles over the wheel arches to make room for beefier rubber. The sculpted doors, aerodynamic side mirrors, and subtle black accents add a modern athletic vibe. BMW's signature Hofmeister kink is still present, but more streamlined and blended with the window line. The flush door handles contribute to the clean, modern appearance and improve airflow along the body. Riding on large lightweight alloy wheels, the 2026 M5 clearly communicates its performance intent even when standing still. At the rear, the car becomes even more dramatic. BMW has given the M5 a wide, planted look with a sporty bumper, quad exhaust tips, and a bold diffuser that enhances downforce. The taillights are slim, sleek, and feature a distinctive LED signature that is instantly recognizable at night. A small lip spoiler on the trunk completes the high-performance aesthetic, adding subtle aggression without overwhelming the car's business-class elegance. Overall, the exterior combines power and precision, communicating that the M5 is built to dominate both the road and the racetrack. Performance is where the 2026 BMW M5 takes a major leap. This generation marks the transition from the traditional V8-only setup to a hybrid performance powertrain. Under the hood is a twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output that pushes the car into super sedan territory. The hybrid system doesn't just boost power, it enhances responsiveness, torque delivery, and efficiency. From the moment you step on the throttle, the car reacts instantly, thanks to the electric motor filling any turbo lag. The result is explosive acceleration and immense mid-range punch that makes overtaking feel effortless. The all-wheel drive system, equipped with performance-tuned electronics, ensures maximum traction whether you're launching from a standstill or carving through high-speed corners. BMW's engineers have recalibrated the suspension for a perfect balance between comfort and aggression, making the M5 equally confident on smooth highways and twisting backroads. The adaptive damping system constantly adjusts to the road conditions and driving style, ensuring the car feels planted, predictable, and incredibly engaging. The steering remains one of the most satisfying aspects of the M5. Precise, well-weighted, and communicative, it allows the driver to feel connected to the road, even with the added weight of the hybrid components. The regenerative braking system works seamlessly with the high-performance brakes, giving strong stopping power without compromising pedal feel. Whether you're cruising in electric mode or pushing the hybrid system to its limits, the 2026 M5 demonstrates a remarkable combination of old-school M spirit and new-age technology. Now stepping briefly into the interior, the 2026 BMW M5 offers a cabin that blends luxury with motorsport-inspired design. The driver-centric cockpit wraps around you, featuring high-quality materials such as carbon fiber, leather, and metal finishes. The seats are sporty yet incredibly comfortable, offering excellent bolstering for spirited driving. BMW's curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless high-resolution panel. The graphics are sharp, the interface is clean, and the responsiveness is instant. Ambient lighting, customizable drive modes, and a premium audio system elevate the sense of luxury. The steering wheel feels thick, sporty, and perfectly tuned for precision driving. The center console houses a blend of physical buttons and touch-sensitive controls, giving the perfect balance between modern design and driver convenience. Rear passengers also get generous space, making the M5 not only a super sedan but a comfortable family luxury car. The 2026 BMW M5 represents the bold new direction of BMW's performance future, combining electrified power with iconic M dynamics. It's aggressive, advanced, luxurious, and unbelievably fast. BMW has built a machine that respects its legendary heritage while embracing the future of performance engineering. And for enthusiasts, this might be the most exciting evolution the M5 has ever seen. This is Motor Pulse, signing off. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 BMW M5, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more detailed automotive reviews.